All right, for this assignment, you are going to be reading a short story called Hitchhiker Weeds. Now, that might be a word you've heard before, maybe not. I just wanted to make sure you know what that is. So, a hitchhiker is someone who waits by the side of the road to get picked up by someone driving by that they don't know and taken to somewhere else. So they're taking this idea of a hitchhiker and applying it to weeds, so to plants. So maybe that gives you a clue like, plants are going to be going from somewhere to somewhere else, picked up in some way or another. So let's just take a look at some of the questions. Here's a story. It's not too long, just about some girls that are going through the woods, and yeah, then there's some hitchhiker weeds. So, first thing is to circle 5 words with long vowels. So think back to earlier this week when we talked about what long vowels were when the vowels say their name. So A, E, I, O, U. So weeds is one that has a long vowel. I'll give you that one. Number 2, why did the girl's mom ask them to stop before they came into the garden? So you'll have to go make it sort of an inference because she doesn't say, don't come closer because da 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 da. She implies it. So you'll have to make sure to really think, okay, what does she say? What do I know about these different things she's talking about? So why maybe did she ask them to stop? Then you're thinking, how do hitchhiker weeds move from one place to another? That one does have more clear evidence in the story. So go look for that and then underline or circle your evidence. And then think about why might hitchhiker weeds do that? Okay, I know I was talking with my nephew who had watched the Boomafoo, and he was talking about seeds and how seeds move around and why they do that. So think about why the weeds might want to move from one place to another. And then what do you know about how other seeds and plants move? So what I had just talked about. What are some other ways? Do you know? Do you not? Go look it up. If you don't, just Google, how do seeds move? Why do seeds move? So that connection to science about why perhaps some seeds move around, keeping in mind the goal of living things is to survive. So it does have to do with them continuing to survive. Pretty straightforward, short story. Answer the questions the best you can, and then turn it in when you are done.